This is Tasha with her Easy Bake Oven. And what are you making?
A pancake.
Oh, a pancake. Nice.
It's not even a pancake. It's like a cookie.
It is?
So I'm just going to call it cookie because it's really tiny.
Spread it. Put the chocolate chips like in the middle a little bit.
That's what I'm trying to do. It's hard.
Put them in the middle so when it's baking, they're kind of in the middle.
Kind of?
Yeah.
I wish it came enough to make like 5.
Yeah, we'll get some refills.
Yeah, but it's not my birthday, and I'm going to have to wait until Christmas.
So, if I see it in the store when I'm shopping for Kai, I'll pick them up. You have to put it in that way.
And then when you're done, you push it out with the side.
Nice.
It cooks with a light bulb.
What? It cooks with what?
A light bulb.
Wow.
That's why I need to put a light bulb in it.
That's awesome. All right. We'll see it when it's done.
Okay.